Anyway.
Yeah.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily.
So that's all for today, guys. I hope you all loved the video. Please make sure you subscribe. Ray JM for more tutorials like this now. Go and rock the edit button. Thanks for watching.
Why do I, baby, why do